Today, I'm going to be a little bit corny because we're going to plant corn! Welcome back to my channel. This is your Tito Mike of Vegetable Gardening and more. I hope you have seen our previous videos and that you have learned how to grow your own vegetables. Today, I'm going to be a little bit corny because we're going to plant corn! Okay, so first and foremost, we will need seeds as corn are grown from seeds, and I purchased this from the local supermarket and I'll show you how I planted them. Come on! It's mais dolce or sweet corn, and the important thing to check is the validity of the seeds. So in this case, the expiry date is still 2021, so this will be just fine. So one technique in growing corn from seeds is to soak the seeds into the water for around 4 to 6 hours, and this is what I have done. Now it's time to plant the seeds into the soil. And what I have done is I have drained them from the water, and then I'll show you how to plant the seeds into the soil rich in compost. Come! So this is the raised bed that we have prepared, and as you can see, this is a soil rich in compost materials, which in the last episode we have seen that we have prepared this and we have transferred the compost here, and this is what we're gonna use in planting the corn. One important thing to remember is that corn wants warm temperature in order for them to germinate and to flourish and eventually develop fruits. And so now I'm going to show you how to plant the seeds into the raised bed. So I'll place the seeds into this soil 6 inches apart. Cover it, and then make sure to water it. And since corn is one of our favorite snacks, I have also planted this much corn in pots, and these are now 2 weeks old. And since we only have a small patch of corn, we will do manual pollination, and I will teach you how to do it. The natural pollination of corn is by wind or through wind. So when the wind blows, these pollens should actually be released and reach the silk. But since we only have a small patch, what we're going to do is we will help the corn to be manually pollinated, and this is how we are going to do it. So what I'm going to do is I will shake this tassel, and as you can see, the pollens are being released. Thousands or even millions of pollens are being released. And then what we're going to do is we will help the silk to receive these pollens. And this will ensure a healthy pollination of the silk, which will develop into a healthy corn fruit. So, good morning and welcome back again. Today is the 7th or 8th week since we planted the corns. And today we are going to harvest the corn with my sons.
Harvest time!
Normally, when we pinch one kernel and the juice came out not watery but milky, that's the time that we harvest it.
How to harvest?
So we will now harvest this corn. The way to do it is to gently remove the lower leaves and then snap it from the stalk. Yes. We have harvested 5 pieces of corn, so one for each of the member of the family and Tito Gideon. So as you can see, these are very healthy. See, these are fully developed corn with fully developed kernels inside, and I'm very happy to share this with you. See, very nice. Should give us very good snack today for the whole day.
I will now give this to my beautiful mom for cooking.
Wow, so sweet! I will now show you how to cook corn on the cob. Come on.
And this is how we plant corn, and we hope you enjoyed it.